guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer, yes, summer, it's finally here. I mean, it's not, but it's coming, okay? So we're calling it in. 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take pictures that I was inspired from my Pinterest board. I do this before every season and recreate it, pulling clothes that I already have in my wardrobe. Let's get started. These are cute. These are kind of a little more like not beachy, vacation-y, some. I don't know. You'll see, okay? Let's start with look number 1. This one is definitely more beachy, vacation-y, something like that. Like, I wouldn't wear this. I mean, you could to certain restaurants, but like, I'm not wearing it to my local Chili's. I haven't been to Chili's in forever. I did pass it the other day though. It looked pretty good. I can tell you the last time I went to Chili's. It ruined me because they put the calories on the menu. No one needs to know that queso is like 1,800 calories. No one. I was like very pregnant, and Scott took me on a hike that I thought was gonna be like a mile or 2 ended up being like, not 8 miles. It wasn't 8 miles. It was close. And I died. I was very, very sore. Anyway, she's got some super flowy, like linen pants. We're gonna put on our white ones and build this outfit. But yeah, so I could justify how much food I ate at Chili's, but I've never had like the triple dipper or anything like that. I don't know, something to me, like the older I get, the more I'm like, I know that is going to royally mess up my stomach, and it's just something it's not worth it to me. But maybe it's because it's not worth it because I don't know how good it tastes. Weigh in the comments. All right, let's put on a little black tube top, if you will. Get it. Oh my God, is it up? Not quite. Worth it. So cute. I love how this is like kind of ruched slightly. I'm gonna taper this out a little bit. She has a fun like gold necklace. I'm not gonna do just straight gold. I'm gonna do this fun one that I have from H&M. I know I have like silver jewelry on, but we're just gonna ignore that. I honestly love how this is like not symmetrical. I think it's fun, and yeah, my hair is just kind of gonna do what it's gonna do because hers is up, but I don't want to do a full slick back because it's like curly right now, or wavy. You guys hate when my little bracelet's clanking, I'm sorry. Okay, black flippies. You could always do like a heel as well. This just screams Mexico to me. A beachy, or even like a fun restaurant would be cute. Okay. Lift her up. Tube tops are just weird. I mean, I love them, but they're just kind of weird. This one's like smooshing my boobies down. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then she has like a little clutch. Honestly, I'd probably wear this because I feel like it kind of matches the beads, and I love this bag so much. I think I kind of nailed it. I kind of love this. This may be a contestant for a Mexico night out outfit, like maybe Toro or something. Toro is like right on site, so it's an easy restaurant. It's delicious. Anyway, this was the first look, and I think we nailed it. I think this is really fun. Like how this kind of fits in flares. You could also pair this with a skirt, which would look really cute, but linen pants are just way up my alley. I love that. Okay, that was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Look number 2 is cute. I'm excited. Okay, I'm very excited. This is very much me. I love a black and white summer outfit. Also, sorry, I think it's about to rain, so the lighting's probably gonna get weird, but that's okay. We about to get weird too, just kidding. Let's put on white linen trouser shorts. Hers are really long, just regular linen shorts, but I think this would look better with trouser shorts for me personally. So let's pop them on. I'm gonna keep those same sandals, I think. I was really hoping to get more of a base tan before we go, but it is 60 degrees out today and it's rainy. Like, I guess it is what it is. But on a positive note, we got all the landscaping in our front yard done, so free rain, free water with the rain, you know? Anyway, this will look cute with this too. Okay, let's put on a black, like shell-like top. I don't have something exact. This looks like the Quince one that I have in black or white and yellow, but I don't want it in black. but I have some things kind of similar. So we're gonna put it on and see if it does the same trick. So this is kind of like a boat neck ribbed top. I know you can hear the lawnmower, so I'm sorry about that. This has a stain on it too, and we're gonna ignore that. Okay, you guys, we're gonna ignore it. Okay, so she has a hat. I basically have the exact same hat. I just have to figure out how to put it on with my hair. I don't have a pony, so. Cute. Okay, and then she's a necklace. Hers is black. I'm gonna wear this gold one. And I think I'm honestly just gonna leave mine out, tucked out. Why is this giving Meredith like in the best way possible? Okay, I think we kind of nailed this one. It's definitely fun. I love the black and white. I think it's so cute. And this hat, such a good purchase. I have it in the tan as well. I got it a million years ago from H&M, but it's so good. And then I would probably pair it with like, she has a little bag, but I would probably pair it with a big bag. It's a very simple outfit. I love this. You guys, this is so cute. This top is from Old Navy. I bet they don't have it anymore, but it is honestly so good. So, look number 2. Okay, I think we nailed it. I wouldn't tuck. You could. No. So we want to look number 3. Okay, look number 3. I've had this on my like outfits I want to recreate for so long now. And the Quince little swing tee finally came back in stock. So we are going to build the outfit. So let's pop off this jewelry. She has gold earrings too, so let's pop those on. She has like a really big, bold gold earring. Just for the sake of this, I'm gonna just switch my earrings just because I think, I mean, I don't have the exact same things, Abby, but I think that a bold earring is really pretty. And I don't know why I'm accessorizing before I even put the outfit on, but we're doing it that way, I guess. These black flip-flops are gonna be the star of the show. I think I wear them in every single outfit. Okay, let's put on my white A Goldie barrel jean. She has a loose, baggy white jean, so that's what we're gonna put on. Okay, let's put on that little swingy white tee, or tank. Okay, so this is as close as the tank of my dreams that I'll get without spending like $100 on a tank top, which I refuse to do, especially on a white tank top that, believe it or not, is gonna get ruined. I think this is like maybe 20 bucks. Maybe a little bit more, maybe 20 something, but I feel like it gets the job done. She's like a really good slick back, but like I said, for the sake, hers is a little hangier, but I have the medium and it just like literally doesn't look like loose in the right way. So this is what we're going with. And then she has a black belt. Hers is YSL, mine is Target. So we're mixing metals. Honestly, I probably should just kept my silver earrings in because I have my silver belt. This is cute. This is good. This is a good tank. I'm a big fan. Okay, hers is way cuter than me. Yeah, she looks literally way cuter. I feel like I look kind of frumpy-dumpy. I don't know, is it in my brain? I do love this tank. I don't know what it is. Something about this doesn't feel, I mean, hers is obviously just way more elevated with her hair the way it is, and just, I don't know. I don't feel as chic as she looks. Oh well, we tried. You know, you win some, you lose some. Still love this tank. Anyway, let's move on to the 4th and final look. So good. I follow, or I don't follow her. I don't know who she is, but I recreate her outfits quite a bit, and I love this look. So let's put it on. I feel like it's very different in the sense of like the belt with the feminine, airy, light shell top linen. It's just, it's so different but cute all in the same way. So let's hopefully it's not on me, but let's put on our Uniqlo light wash jeans that are already cuffed because I wore them cuffed yesterday. Hers are definitely a little bit longer, but honestly, the more I wear these, the more they kind of like stretch out. So they kind of like hit lower on my waist. I love these jeans the most. They are truly my favorite jeans in the entire world and like this. So cute. I love it. Let's switch back out my silver earrings. I have been loving these quints, like little dome hoops. They have become, I think, my favorite. They have replaced my little Ana Luisa twists, but honestly, those are gold and I've just been wearing a lot more silver. I don't know, I love it. Okay, let's put on our little shell yellow top. So let's button this and then give her a good tuck around. Since these are low rise, I can't tell if hers are probably more high rise. Hopefully the belt will fit all around the waist. If you know that struggle of where like some belts fit just high waisted and some belts fit both. I think this fits both, but I could be wrong. We'll find out. I might dry this top and see if I can shrink it a little. It is a medium. Probably would get it in a small now. Yes, this works. See, it's kind of like edgy with the whole like black accessories with the light jeans. I kind of love it. It's very different. Like not something I would typically do, but I kind of dig it. Okay, so this is look number 4. Just a big old tote. I don't have a black tote, but I do want a navy. This just gives carefree, put together, but cute. I'm here for it. So that was look number 4. And that is my last outfit. So I always love to know, what was your favorite outfit in the comments down below. I think we kind of nailed them all. Oh, except for that third one. The one before this. I don't know, you guys. I tried. You sound off. You always are honest with me. Sometimes too honest, but you know what happens. I put myself out there, I guess. So they say. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon.